Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
God put man sometimes in position Nojred. That Tajred is someone was placed in that place. She didn't make any effort, but his needs being met. His daily needs are met. Like needs for his children, clothing, shelter. For his wife, clothing, shelter, food, and so on. Fulfilled all, without him having to, trying to, opening a business, working. Example is people who, since childhood, wealthy, have the inheritance. That includes the person who was placed, God in the position of Tish. There were signs of God put that person in Tajrid position. The first sign is God make it easy for you sufficiency. If all this time we didn't, trying nothing, we don't trade, there is no other efforts, there is no planting shares. The point is we have no effort, but us, well off, food, clothes, and others. This is a sign that God told us to be like that. No effort. Work, don't have to work. The second sign of God, make yourself at ease. Again, calm. When not enough, his heart remained calm. Stay calm. Be patient and don't complain. Even if you don't have it. Money and food. God made his heart like that. The third sign, there is no greed for belongs to someone else, well given, or lent. The fourth sign, clean. Time you busy with worship. Every day, busy, the time filled with worship. Well learn, teaching, dhikr, reading the Quran, and others. Sufficient economy. If not fulfilled, also his heart, stay calm, and not fidgeting. This means, we are blessed by God. That way, don't want the slightest. Opening a business, don't want the slightest. Planting stock, to and fro, because God has bless and bless. We are there. If the person have been getting, that mentioned that adequacy is easy. Himself calm. If you don't have money, nothing greedy with people's property. Time is full. In finished off. With worship. Then don't move. to the asbab position, or working position, unless there is an order. His teacher he had a teacher. As the teacher said, you trade, or there is a signal, or visible sign. Like I can't. He got what was mentioned. Like the one before. For example, in the past, the income is good and smooth. His heart is calm. If you don't have money, time is full of worship. Now it's the opposite. This is a sign from God, telling us to opening a business, working like this, blessed by Allah. Why? Because the road, finance that. All this time, nice and smooth. Jammed, and the heart that used to be calm. Now no. That means that, a sign from God, telling us to work, or can no longer. Using time to worship. Even though the circumstances, good economy just now, lazy to worship, a full day, just watching TV. Can't and don't open his heart to worship. Later, down to the space of coffee shop, sit down, almost half a day, when he used to be the one diligent worship. Now the circumstances have changed. This is a sign of God. To work, so that there is busyness. From doing useless things like for days, watching TV or gossiping, when sitting around in front of the house. This is what is signs. God put someone in tajrid position. If God put him in the position of tajrid, do not move to the asbab position. But when God move it with the characteristics mentioned earlier to the asbab position, then move to the asbab position.